Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today again I come up with a very interesting scenario on Power BI, and it's a real-time scenario. Okay, and this can be achieved through Redux. Okay, that I will make a separate video for that, but the solution which you are planning to for a use case we are planning to do it today, we'll go with a simple approach and it will easily solve through the Power Query. Okay, it will not take much time there. So okay, let's get to the question here or the use case. So think like that a few users are coming from your any kind of system. Let's take it is coming from a Tableau system, right? So here different employees are there and they are holding some license, right? So let's check Anis is a Explorer license is having and his license ID is 2. So here we are saying that wherever the user is having in the Explorer license is the license is 2, number is 2, and whenever is a creator it is 9. Okay, so but if you see here there is a challenge. So multiple users can have different license on different sites in Tableau. So let's take this guy, it's a creator in one site and in this in two. But when you consider when you are counting the number of license, right, for this guy Sanjay Jha, it should be considered as a creator, it should not consider as an explorer, because he is the topmost license. So he is consuming explorer but he should count as a creator. Same case for the Smita also. So site admin explorers in the viewer, but he should consider as a site admin explorer. So basically what you are trying to understand is that what is the maximum ID for that guy. So based on that we can just calculate the things, right? So how we can achieve, there could be a number of ways. In DAX also you can do the max x and calculate all these things. This is, I think it's a more complicated thing. So let's go with the Power Query approach. Let's go with the transform data here. Basically it's a group by only, simple group by. Okay, so let me just refresh this data. Now what I'll do, I'll create a duplicate copy of this same table and I will rename this first as license group. Okay, and under this I will go to my transform on the license group and I will do a group by. What I'll do, I'll do a group by on the employee and I will say max ID. This was my ask, and I will do a max of my license ID. Okay, then I will do a okay, then I will get for the each employee whatever the maximum ID he is having, based on that I will get the max ID. Fine. Now what I will do, I will go to my license info table and I will do a merge query. I will do a left join, okay, along with the license group, and I will, based on the employee name and the employee name, and I will do a left join here. Okay, and I will expand this and I will consider only the maximum ID here, right? So if you see, this is the actual ID for the two guys Sanjay Jha, but the maximum ID is 9 because his maximum is 9. Same for the Smita, he is having a license ID of 2 and 1, but maximum is 2, and Anita is only 2 only. Okay, now we will create another calculator column here. Whenever these two matches, the license ID and max ID, I want to put a true, and otherwise I want to make it as a false. Okay, so for that I will create a add column and create a custom column. Okay, so say license true false, something like that on that line, and I will just compare. Okay, license ID equals to my maximum ID, wherever there is there it will give me true, false, true, false, true. Okay, so I should consider true. Now let it make it as a string. Okay, then license group, I don't want to load the data, so I have everything on my license table. Now I will go to my home tab, close and apply. Alright, now let me remove the license ID which is not required. Now on my filter table, let's take the filter section here and bring up your and bring up the license true false which you calculated, to your filter and make it as a true. Okay. Now if you see, we are considering now this two. So based on this two in column, you can have calculate the number of license which is having this. Okay. This is a simpler approach to get the things using your Power Query. Okay. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content, more real-time scenario like this, and hope you like this video as well. And thanks for watching, and have a nice day, guys.